Some people have been finding it difficult to do premium on the YouTube. So I'll be showing you guys how to do premium on YouTube. First thing you need to do is hope you guys are with me. Go to your YouTube. Excuse me, guys. I'm coming. Go to your YouTube. Now we are in YouTube now. So what you need to do here, you click this here that you use to show your picture to those that put picture or you put anything. So this is where you will click. No. That is not where you will click. So you click this plus here, this plus. You see this plus? Sorry, guys. You click this plus as if you want to upload. So when you get to this place, you see create a short, upload a video, go live, then go live together. This is where you click upload a video. Now it will take you direct to your gallery where you have a lot of video there. Where you have a lot of video, upload. You look for the video you want to upload. Make sure the video you're about to upload is not 1 minute video or 2. It can be 2 minutes, but which means those people that want to stay there to watch it, they will not stay longer. So if it is 1 minute video, that one is short, but just make sure the video you're about to upload is quite long, like 7 minutes upward. It can also be 5 minutes, but not 1 minute. Hope you guys are with me. So you will just click on the video you want to. I will just click on one video here now because I don't want to upload. So let me just click on this one. See network. Okay, sorry guys. The network is somehow bad.
Babe, I know somebody this sweet person to order from a popular brand, but then again,
so this is where you will click. If you want to do the premium, you click the plus. You click the plus. When you click the plus, so the network is one that is causing it. Yes. So when you click the plus, you see upload video. You click on upload video. So when you click on upload video, just click on one video like this, the video you want to upload. Don't let me choose this 1 minute video. Let me just choose this one. Then you click next. Next again. I don't want to upload this one. I'm just showing you as an example. When you get to this place, you type the title of the video you're about to upload. You type the listing, add description. When you add the description, you click here, public. So when you get to the public, you now come down, you see schedule. You click on schedule. Did you see schedule? You now come here, you see where they wrote video is private before publishing. So you click set as premiere. When you click on set as premiere, now you see today, date that is there now is tomorrow's date. So you click on the date. Choose the day that you want your video to be on premiere. You choose the day. Now let's leave this Tuesday. You click OK. After clicking OK, here what time do you want the video to be on premiere? So if it is 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, just choose your time. You click 5 what? Is it 5 on dot or 5:05, 5:10, 5:15? Which one? So if it is 5:15, you choose 5:15. You click OK. So you now check here where they wrote public. You see, we've set that it's not private. Don't click private. If you click private, which means there are some set of people you want them to watch your premiere. You don't want it to be on public, so don't set it on private. You leave it on public. So did you notice this place where I said you set as premiere, then you leave, you go back. After you go back, you now click next. Make sure you always observe this place. You see, yes, it is made for kids. You don't click on that. So what you need to click on is no, it is not made for kids. You click on it. If you click yes, it is made for kids, people will not be able to comment on your video, even on the premiere that you're about to set. Any video you're about to upload, even if it's not premiere, if you want to upload any video, don't click yes, it's made for kid. Don't click on that. You click no, it is not made for kid, so that when people that is watching your video will be able to comment on your video. So that is why some people find it difficult when they see disable. Under the comment section they will see disable. It's because you put it here, and also there are some settings that you need to do on YouTube before. So you now click upload video. When you click upload, I don't want to click upload because I don't want to upload this video. When you click upload video, your video will be set on premiere. Then what you be expect is at the actual time you place your video on, make sure you did not forget, so that you will tell people that you will be on premiere so time and so dates. So people will be able to do what? To watch it, stay there, comment. It will be as if you are on live. That video will be as if you are on live, and You can also use your phone also to watch. So you see the advantage. So immediately you upload it now, it will go. Then upload, but it will not be published immediately. It will be published the time you set for it. Hope you are with me. So it will publish the time you want it to be on Premiere. Immediately that time, make sure you are on YouTube. Make sure you go there. Make sure you go there. Invite people also to watch. Then they'll be dropping comments and so on. So that is how the Premiere goes. Simple as APC. If you want me to do it again, if you want me to explain again, I can also go back. Let me go back again to explain. So the first thing you need to do when you want to do Premiere on YouTube, you go like this. You go to YouTube, press YouTube. When you press YouTube, you come here where the plus arrow is. Click on the plus. Then you see upload a video. You click on upload a video. So when you get there, you see all your video, the video you want to choose, the photo you want it to be on Premiere. You just choose any video, but make sure the video is quite long, not short one. That is quite long. Then you choose it. I choose this one. Let me just choose this, the one I chose before. So you click next. Then after next, you see where we are now. You click you see where they wrote create a title. You type the title of the video you are uploading. Make sure you type the title that when people see it, they will be eager to watch the Premiere. So you type this thing.